Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of creativity and learning with the STEM building toys, perfect for kids aged 3 to 8. This incredible set includes 180 colorful pieces that allow your child to build cars, robots, dinosaurs, trucks, and more, all while enhancing their science, technology, engineering, and math skills. Designed to foster color recognition, imagination, creativity, hands-on ability, and logical thinking, these toys are a fantastic way to engage your child's mind. Not only are they great for interactive classroom games between teachers and students, but they also offer a wonderful bonding experience for parents and children, as well as siblings, creating a harmonious atmosphere at home. The set comes with a reusable storage box, making cleanup a breeze, and is made from high-quality, safe materials free from BPA, lead, and phthalate. With an easy-to-follow booklet included, kids can assemble their creations independently, making this the perfect gift for birthdays, Christmas, and other special occasions. So, let your child's imagination soar with these amazing STEM building toys, and watch them learn and grow while having endless fun. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.